Okay, so I seen this on social media, so I wanted to try it because if you know me, you know I love coffee. I'm a coffee lover. So I am going to do the whip coffee. I don't know. Whip. Nay. Y'all don't know. I be extra with my daughter in front of me because she hates it and it just makes my day. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of the instant coffee. I literally just looked online and found the recipe, and that's what I'm going to do. I did not make this recipe up. Okay, then it says with 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm not putting 3, I'm putting 2. I think 2 should be good enough. Okay. Now be mad. I'm like, it was so nasty. What? 2 and 3 tablespoons of hot agua. Fuego. Is it fuego? What? Hot as fuego? Fuego agua. If it's wrong, oh well. And because I took that last tablespoon of sugar, I'm going to replace that with my vanilla flavoring because I like it like that. And I have my milk in a glass with ice, and I'm going to whip. Oops, I just ejected. Okay. Oh gosh, hold on, y'all. Don't laugh at me. There we go. We're back. All right, and go. Movie. Go. It's whipping. Guys, it's whipping. Okay. A move. Coffee con coffee. Coffee con queso. Look what happened. Oh my God. And that was not planned. This really sucks, guys. Hold on. I just braided my hair. Hold on, we gotta take it out. Okay, so the coffee is done.
You said coffee with cheese.
Oh my God. Look, it completely curled the braid. Hold up. I have crimp braid. I thought I was dying. That was scary. I'm done. I'm sorry. I don't care if it need another second. It's finished now. Okay. So I already have my milk in. That was scary. Look. We have fluff. And we're just going to put it on top. This is pretty freaking awesome, guys. We have coffee whip. This is cool. That scared me, guys. I just knew I was a goner. That's all we have, layered coffee. Wait. Let me show y'all something. Hold on. Ooh. Now we have dessert. And I'm going to put it across and across and in a circle. Y'all know I worked at Starbucks for 2 weeks one time. It was entirely too much work for that money. I'm sorry. I ain't got time for that. They had me washing dishes. I mean, not wrong with washing dishes, but let me tell you something. I hate washing dishes. I used to get on punishment when I was a child because I didn't wash dishes on my dish day. Oh, you come to my house, we use plastic most of the time. My videos y'all see China when I eat is on a plastic plate. I hate dishes. Okay, so here we go. Close up. Let's sip. Oh, it's good. I can do that. I can rock with this. Oh, now y'all know I can get jiggy with it. Y'all have a good day. This J. Kales. Woo! I forgot I didn't put on makeup today. This J. Kales. Talk to y'all later.